I'm Kevin Miller. I'm the managing partner for Croissant Red Angus here in Briggsdale, Colorado. At Croissant Red Angus, we're a commercial cow-calf operation, and we also have a backgrounding feed yard. We run about 250 cows depending upon weather and moisture, and all of our cattle that we have in the backgrounding yard will ship out to a different feed yard and finish them out. The AgriWebb system allows us to manage human resources, grass management, and animal management all in one platform that can be shared completely across all of my employees and the system. On the cattle side, the specific data points that we look at truly are the weight data points. We utilize a lot of technology in the cow-calf side, mainly in genetic opportunities. And so we want to utilize a system to accomplish our goals. We also track all of our carcass data and the values that are attached to that animal as well. And so we can load those into AgriWebb, and that allows us to get a historical perspective for cattle that we purchase and even our own cattle that we have on ranch. Doing that allows us to better price things, bringing them into the feed yard system, and it also allows us to figure out whether or not we need to make a change within our management system. On the grazing management side, we've tracked production for 20 plus years. The AgriWebb system has allowed us to increase what we've been able to track. As we move into summer, we have the rotational system built already in place, and so it allows us to look ahead a little bit more securely and then manage it a little bit more tightly. The value to me in AgriWebb is the ability to be away from the ranch and still have my finger on the pulse of what happens in the ranch itself. The calendar function has been a great leverage point for us because there are multiple things that are happening across the ranch space. And so we can add that into the calendar system, and then everybody knows what's going on each and every day. One of the greatest things about working with AgriWebb is their customer support team. We've had the ability to have in-person training sessions. Online support has been excellent. And anytime that I've got a question, within 24 hours, I either have a solution or a in-person phone call or text conversation that will create a solution to my problem. We utilize a lot of technology here at Croissant Red Angus. We have for years, mainly because if we do not measure it, we cannot make change. In the AgriWebb system, we are allowed to see who stellar performers are and those that aren't quite cutting the mustard. And so that allows us to make decisions as we move forward in generations.